Isa tong kwento na dapat ipapalabas namin sa Malaala Mo Kaya, kung saan kami nag-work ni Ara, may writer. Sabi ko akong gagawa ko ng unang pelikula, nakakatakot na posibleng huli na siya, I still do this film, no? Kasi walang nagkukwento. When we saw the article na natiling kriminal lang yung kababaihan, ang tanong namin is bakit? Bakit humantong sa ganito yung mga kababaihang to? Ang pelikula naming Warla is tungkol sa isang young transgender woman na nakahanap ng pamilya sa isang gang called Warla, at kung paanong nakahanap siya dito ng pagmamahal kahit na at stake yung buhay niya because violent yung methods ng grupo. I think in general, any trans narrative hirap siyang ikwento sa mainstream media. So kahit sa MMK before or sa ABS-CBN, hindi siya madaling ikwento. So when the show ended at nagkaroon ng opportunity na i-pitch namin siya or maisip namin gawin siyang pelikula, we just took our shot in Cinemalaya at nakapasok siya sa 2010. So I guess naging signal yun sa amin na kailangan na siyang ikwento kasi natanggap siya sa Cinemalaya lalo. Since the conception of the story, I'm a close friend of Mela Habijan, or Miss Trans Global. So I guess isa yun sa pinakamahalagang parte ng journey ng kwento na ito, because I made sure na at least yung closest trans woman sa buhay ko knows that I'm doing this story wholeheartedly. And she approved of it. Si Lance and Jervy, nakita ko na agad sila. Na-imagine ko na agad sila sa script level pa lang. And so, through Mela, na-connect ako sa kanilang dalawa and they approved of it. So, si Serena, I've been seeing her works pero pinag-audition namin siya for the role. And then si Valeria Ortega, the Luningning. No, so, actually ang goal ko was to look for actors na galing sa iba't ibang industriya. Kasi parang kung makikita nyo, hindi ako nag-cast ng mga nag-screen na matagal na sa pelikula. No, so parang I also wanted to give chance to other trans actors to show the industry na meron tayong mahanap if we just, choose to give them these opportunities. I think yes, kasi parang from the article and yung vision namin sa kwento, it's really to humanize the trans experience. So yung point of view talaga natin, yung live experiences, yung pinakamahalaga, and there's no other way to do that but cast all trans women and make them the ensemble or the main characters, kasi laging side characters lang in trans, no? Ako, from the start, the goal is for people to somehow start to be active in understanding or in caring for trans people. Sabi ko nga baka masyadong mataas yun, pero yun lang yung inangklahan ko, no? Yung sana maging bukas sila at genuinely i-question ko paano talaga sila mag-care for humanity, because trans people are humans. Walang pinagkaiba yung trans women, trans men, no? Sa kung sino tayo, no? It's been the dream to create the film. No? Joey Reyes was my professor in college. Sabi ko nga kanina, like, when we met, parang unang question niya sa akin nung pumasok ako sa TV, bakit ka nandito? So alam niya yon na parang pelikula yung gusto kong gawin. And it's a Cinemalaya film. So sa akin, yung pinakakaibahan niya is like, ang daming oras para gawin yung pelikula somehow, although may deadline pag ganitong festival. Pero I guess ito yung medium kasi ng filmmaker, and when you're a director, no, compared to TV, that's a producer's medium. So this is my vision. At I guess, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon through my team as well, na isabuhay kung paano ko nakikita or yung worldview ko at yung pananaw ko sa bagay-bagay.